here in August 2020, after Storm Ellen has passed. This Buddleia, which has been growing here for a number of years, is mostly after being blown down, although one of the smaller branches is still upright and should grow to replace the damaged shrub. Also here with some nice autumn colour is a Persian ironwood tree. And also here demonstrating some resilience from wind damage is this Buddleia, which was blown over to grow at an angle a number of years ago, but still is producing healthy growth.